Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So this video tutorial is going to show you how to use one of our special type of TRW True Type fonts with the Silhouette Cameo Designer Edition software. So it makes it much easier to be able to use some of the different designs and fonts that we have, because you don't necessarily have to bring it into Inkscape to break it all apart. So as you can see, we're in our Designer Edition software here. And all we did is one of our True Type fonts that we purchased off the rhinestoneworld.com website, we installed it into our font library on our computer. So we're going to go to our TRW Zebra Font here, and we're going to go ahead and type it out. Now this is a HTV font, which means a heat transfer vinyl font, which the good thing about it is you can make it any size you want, where with the rhinestones you're a little bit restricted as far as making sure the circles are the right size for the stone that you're using. With the heat transfer vinyl fonts like this, you can adjust the size around, make it whatever size you want to fit the shirt. So we're going to show you exactly how to make that cheer design that we showed a few weeks ago in one of our YouTube videos. So we're just typing out Lakewood Ranch here. We already did the cheer. Now we did the cheer part, and what you can do is you can type it out in uppercase and then in lowercase, and that's going to give you the second color. So what we're doing is we're allowing you to avoid the whole process of having to split it apart and do all the hard part of it as far as getting it to overlap perfectly for the glitter transfer vinyls and everything else in those special programs, to where you can just type it out and it's already going to be split apart for you and ready to go ahead and mirror it and send to your cutter. So all we're going to do is we're going to Control C and then Control V. We're going to make a copy of that, and then this time we're going to use the caps lock and we're going to type it out, and you can see it has the second color of our design. So if you look at this, it's going to line up perfectly. It's the exact same height and width, which means when you weed it out, you're going to weed out everything except for the actual letters that you see there. And then you're going to weed out the zebra part of the design as well. So those boxes you're actually going to weed out. Those won't be part of your design, but those are just in the font to be able to make sure that it lines up perfectly, so you won't have to do any extra work. So we moved the 2013 down there, and this design is now completed. We finished that in probably a minute. We're just going to go up here to our object, and we're going to go to transform, and we're going to flip it horizontally. And now it's mirrored to be able to send to our cutter. So flip horizontally. We just forgot to grab one of the items there. Flip horizontally. Now we're ready to go. We'll highlight this one. Let's say we want to cut that in our glitter emerald, and then we're going to go I'm going to show you our cut settings right here, so you can see it all highlights the red, so it is ready to cut. It's a cut vector file. So you're just going to highlight what part you want to cut. Make sure to cut that part with your first color, and then cut the second part with your next color. And then what it is the way that the font's made, it's going to line up perfectly once you are ready to go ahead and press it on your garment. So we're going to show you another quick little design here. Another very popular one for us are your different high school designs. So we're going to go to, again, our TRW Zebra Block HTV font, and we're going to just type out, let's type out RHS here. So we got RHS out. You can see all your dimensions there, and we're going to get this pretty good size, a little around, somewhere around 9 inches in that range. Good design for the front of a shirt. And then we're just going to pick any regular font that you already have in your font library, and we're going to type class of 2013. Now let's go ahead and adjust that. We're going to adjust it right underneath it. So you got an RHS class of 2013 shirt here. And we're going to copy the RHS, paste it, and then we are going to use our other, which is the caps lock, type out RHS, and you can see it did the second part of that color of the design. Everything's the exact same size. So you're completely done with this shirt right here. So to get a zebra print like this and it ready to cut in 30 seconds to a minute is something that's going to save you a lot of time and help you as far as get unique designs to your customers, but something that you can say yes to each time because you see how easy it is now. So all you do is mirror it, cut out each one in your different colors, go ahead and weed it out, press it to your shirt, and you're done with this cool custom design that you can create in minutes. So So hope this video helped you out. Again, this is a TrueType font that you are going to install to your font library, so you can use it in all the different programs, not just the Designer Edition. You can use it in Stone Cut Pro, and you can use it in WinPC Sign. You can use it in CorelDRAW or Illustrator, or all those different programs, because it is a vector file as well when you're doing the TrueType font. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Again, this is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have a great day.